I am frog. I am frog. I am green in color. I am green in color. I live in the pond. I live in the pond. I hope. I hope. I eat insects. I eat insects. This is an apple. This is an apple. The apple is red in color. The apple is red in color. Look at the red apple. Look at the red apple. The red apple is big. The red apple is big. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. It is very big and strong. It is very big and strong. It has two big ears. It has two big ears. It has a long nose. It has a long nose. It has four legs. It has four legs. This is my cat. This is my cat. My cat is yellow in color. My cat is yellow in color. It has a long tail. It has a long tail. Her ears are black. Her ears are black. It likes milk. It likes milk. It likes to meow. It likes to meow. I love my cat Tommy. I love my cat Tommy. I have a dog. I have a dog. His name is Rainbow. His name is Rainbow. My dog is big. My dog is big. My dog is brown. My dog is brown. This is a mango. This is a mango. The mango is yellow. The mango is yellow. Look at the yellow mango. Look at the yellow mango. The yellow mango is small. The yellow mango is small. This is a mango. The mango is yellow. Look at the yellow mango. The yellow mango is small.